Hi everyone, I'm David, a beauty director here at Sephora.
Hey everyone, Melinda, also a Sephora Beauty Director.
And I'm Myiesha, also a Sephora Beauty Director.
Now today's video is all about affordable holiday sets that are going to be one and done gifts for all those occasions that you might run into during the holiday season. Coworkers, a random house party, a hostess gift. We've got you covered here, seriously, and there's a lot of really great holiday sets we want to get into, so let's jump right in. Melinda, I know you've got a really good one to start with.
Yes, and I love this because, like you said, it just makes it easy. So this has been one of my kind of favorites or picks for holiday. This is the Hotshots from Drybar Prime Prep and Protect set. So it comes with the Prep Rally, which is like a prep and prime spray. You can put it on. It has biotin in it, really good for your hair ingredients, and also heat protection. I don't know how many times we've probably all said it, but if you're using heat on your hair, you need to be using heat protection. And then it also has Hot Toddy, which is straight up just a heat protection mist that you can use on dry hair. So Prep Rally, damp hair, heat protection, and good for your hair ingredients. Hot Toddy, dry hair, heat protection. You kind of get it that double up. So when you go into your tool.
Yeah, if you have curly hair and you do like a silk press or a blowout, you probably want to get the Hot Toddy because there's not many heat protectants that aren't like water-based that would ruin your hair.
It's very light.
When I wore my hair straight, I was like, I can't find a heat protectant that won't mess up my hair. How do I do it? But Hot Toddy is it.
Yeah, someone with really fine hair, I like it for that reason too. It's light. Yeah.
So next is from Pattern. This is a brand I've been waiting for a long time. So this is Pattern by Tracy Ellis Ross. This is the Winter Curls and Coils Kit. So if you're not familiar with Pattern, it is a hair care brand that is centered or focused on curls and coils and waves, kinkier hair, which is great because Tracy didn't really have a lot of options when she was, growing up and doing her hair. So she wanted to make something focused on curly hair, but I think anybody can use it if you're into that. So this is the shampoo, the conditioner, as well as the curl cream. I think this would be really great for anybody who just has drier hair. I live in Los Angeles. We don't really get a lot of winter here. It just, maybe there's, a change of thermostat a few degrees. That's about it. But if you live in a colder climate, a lot of times you have to change your hair care. You live in New York. You have to change your hair care according to the weather. So this would be really great for somebody. The curl cream is really good for like twist outs or like a softer, fluffier style. Really, really nice. Really like these products. And the curl cream is full size. And these are minis, but they're pretty large, I would say. Especially shampoo, because it's going to last you a good amount of time.
That box is heavy.
It's heavy.
It's a hefty gift.
Yeah, for sure. So really, really nice. I know a lot of people are very excited about this. This is great. I would get this to anybody. Like, I feel like all my mom's coworkers have been asking me about Pattern ever since it launched. And they're very nice ladies. So I think I might pick up a few of these to give to them. But I think this would be good for anybody. I feel like hair care gifts are a great way to kind of subtly say maybe you use a little styling product, like this is a great way, like if your hair is a little bit drier, you need some help, maybe like for like a teenager, to be really good for anybody.
So up next, I've got a great kit here from Clinique. This is the Shut Eye Essentials Kit. It is a perfect gift for anyone in your life who wears a lot of eye makeup and forgets to take it off. So maybe some of those party girls, or even in the case, sometimes I like to give these types of things to my mom just to remind her, make sure you take all that makeup off your eye before you go to bed. This is an all-in-one kit. So you get the wipes, which are the Take the Day Off wipes, which are amazing. They've got a really great makeup remover in them that wipes everything off, even the most waterproof makeup. Then you've got the Take the Day Off cleansing balm, which really helps to break down a lot of that waterproof, heavier makeup. And then once you're done removing all your makeup, of course, they give you a little bit of the All About Eyes, so you can remember to put your eye cream on at night so that when you go to bed, you're moisturizing your eyes, waking up, you look glowing and refreshed. This is a really great, easy gift. Buy a couple of these. They make great instant in the moment gifts. Oh, happy holidays. Pop a bow on it and go. Really, really great. Clinique always does a wonderful holiday gift set.
All right. When we're talking about easy gifting, I feel like this is kind of just you can't go wrong. Candles, especially during the holidays. This is like my number one pick for your host that's hosting a nice dinner party or anything along those lines. it's just so simple. They can put it out right away, create a new environment. Villespa's been one of my favorite candle companies for years. Like before we even carried them, I was obsessed, and I was just so happy when they joined the Sephora family because these are all over my house now. But like I said, there's 3 different scents within here, so you can't really go wrong. Someone's gonna love one of them, and not to mention you can break this apart and gift to multiple people.
Yeah, that could be 3 gifts right there.
Exactly.
And Melinda decided to gift it to me, so thank you. I will be taking that home.
There we go.
And Myiesha's going to gift one to me. So it's the gift that keeps giving, basically.
Okay. Let's see, what's next? Ooh, Laneige. Okay, so this one's nice because last year, they do a really cute one every year. This is the Midnight Minis holiday set. And I still have the lemon one on my desk from last year. It lasts a long time. The mint, the mint, yeah. Like, these last such a long time. Honestly, this is a gift that's just you break up and give to people individually because these are such good value for how long they last. There's the original, there's sweet candy, gummy bear, lemon, and then what's that? Like
I think
the
this is
mint
chocolate,
mint chocolate.
which is my favorite.
Yeah, so this is great. I personally love lemon everything, minty everything. We like those fresh lip balms with the mint in them. So this I think is a great way. Like David and I like to trick people and to keep the one that's our favorite, and then just like sprinkle them into goodie bags. So no one ever knows. They just think they got a good gift.
This is a great gift for any teen in
It's
your
so
life.
pretty. Yeah.
Me.
There you go. No, yeah, we actually did discuss this. I want the candle. She wants that. I already have. Yeah. I have a lip balm in every area of my house, so you will be getting that after. Happy holidays.
Love it. Speaking of lips, up next we have from Tower 28, and this is the Iced Latte Lip Jelly Duo. If you have not tried this formula from Tower 28 yet, I highly recommend it. It's a beautiful gloss that is completely without any stickiness at all. It's a clean brand at Sephora, and I think that has a lot to do with the formula being so comfortable to wear. As a professional makeup artist, I have the clear shade in my kit. I must have 20 of them because it's amazing, and everyone should have a clear lip gloss. And honestly, this is such an easy gift to have on hand for anyone who's a makeup junkie, who's a lipstick lover. There's a beautiful caramel shade in here that has gorgeous gold flecks in it.
Really
Works on everybody's skin tone, from like pale to deep. Like, this is an easy, no-brainer gift. Pick up a couple of them, have them on hand, you know. Oh my God, happy holidays, Melinda.
Yeah.
That is one I would easily buy myself too.
Yeah.
I mean, I would buy a lot of these for myself because the value, but
Yeah.
I like to get like a forgotcha gift, like, oh,
Yes.
I forgot about you. Like, let me just like have something because you just can't keep a list,
Yeah.
and sometimes you forget, and people give you something, they get excited. I'm like, I got you.
I got
like,
you.
let me get something. And I feel like this one and the Laneige one are like the perfect size to gift to someone. For
That's
sure.
very true.
Completely.
That's very true.
What you got now?
Okay, my last pick is from Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez, and this is the Soft Pinch Blush Trio. I mean,
It's good.
cream
blush.
blushes.
Yeah, huge right now.
I mean, I think cream blush is probably like the most talked about beauty product in existence at the moment.
Yes.
And for a reason. Like, it looks so beautiful and creamy and glowy and youthful on the skin. I think a lot of people are going for more of that kind of angle. It comes with 3 different shades. I really like peachy tones, and there's one of those in here. But I would gift this definitely to my sisters because no one doesn't like a little cream blush.
You know what's funny about cream blush that it's a point you just brought up? For me, my mom will only wear cream blush because she's more mature, and it's funny how this trend has actually opened it up to such a wider variety. Even like teens are now into it.
Yep.
That a gift like this could go from somebody who's a teen to somebody who's 70, 80 years old. Like
100%.
my mom's in her late 70s, and she's always like, bring me cream blushes. So like this would be a great gift for my mom. Like,
That is such a good point because even myself, I have very dry skin. I tend to have a little bit of texture if I'm not careful. So I would always try and stray away from powders, but I was still using a powder blush for quite a while, and switching to cream was a game changer. So,
Yeah.
you know.
And if you're oily, you could still use it too. I think pretty much that's when all the cream blushes came out last year. That's pretty much all I wore.
Yeah.
Rare, Fenty, Patrick Ta. They wore all day. We were at home filming, like under hot lights, and it was beautiful.
And these things last forever.
Yeah.
So
It's
you don't
very
need, you don't even
pigmented.
need the full size.
No.
Oh, let's see. Are we the last one? Okay, last one. So these, I'm like known to give these to everyone. So this is the Sephora Favorites Perfume Sampler. Every year, if you watch this channel, you're probably sick of me saying, I'm gonna give this to my mom. Because my mom will go to Sephora and she will try 10 different samples before she knew about these and stress the poor like beauty advisors out because
Everyone's like,
she's so picky and she'll come back in like 2 weeks and buy like 7 fragrances. That's her shopping style. It's very odd, but I like these because my mom likes to marinate in her fragrances. She likes to try them with different lotions and things.
Smart.
And this is a way, like, especially if I see one where I know I'm gonna buy it, like My Way, I have like 3 bottles of it by now. I love it. I have it kind of like dashed in different parts of my home, but I know I really want her to try My Way because I think she'd really like it. And then this is the replica. Which one is that one? Autumn Vibes. Actually, I haven't tried that. So anytime I see one where I'm like, oh, I for sure want that, I'm like, I might as well just get this.
look at that Valentino
so I can try different
packaging.
ones. That one's super cute. So
that's
the way,
beautiful.
yeah, so the way these work, if you're not familiar, is you get little samplers. I would say they last about a week and a half, 2 weeks of each fragrance, and then you turn it in for a full-size roller ball. If you really want to commit, you want a bigger one, they have a bigger one too, but I like these because they're just easy.
Well, there you have it. A great selection of holiday sets that are going to be a perfect pick up, one and done value for you in all those situations where you're gonna need those last minute gifts, because believe me, we all do. And if you ask me, start the preparations early, then you have no worries through the holiday season. Let us know in the comment section below if any of these gifts have piqued your interest. Maybe tag a friend to be like, hint, hint, did you see that gift? Because I liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can get new videos like this from us every single week. Until next time, get your pads out, start writing down your holiday list, and we'll see you all soon. Take care, everyone. Bye.